Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, I am Cikgu Ajah Suryati. Today, I'm going to teach a topic on percentage. Before we move on, let's start with housekeeping. You need pen and notebook. You can refer to Yes Maths textbook 6B, page 6 to 9. And your exercise today will be in Yes Maths workbook 6B, page 5 to 6. Before we start, let's put on our thinking cap and review the previous lesson. The first question, what will be in the blank if the answer is 29%? Very good. The answer is 100. Next question, what is the percentage of 8 out of 20? Very good, 40%. How do you get the answer? Right, we multiply the denominator and numerator by 5. Third question, what is the fraction of 25%? Correct, 1/4. We change 25% to 25 out of 100 and change it to simplest form. The answer is 1/4. Next question. What is the percentage of 0.34? Right, it's 34%. How do we get the answer? We move the decimal point 2 places to the right. Last question. What is 185% in decimal? Correct. The answer is 1.85. How do you change it? Is to move the decimal point 2 places to the left. Our topic today is percentage, which is finding the percentage of a quantity. The objective of our lesson today is find the value of percentage part of a whole. What does it mean? It means that you're going to calculate to find a value from given percentage of a whole. What do we mean by a whole? Some examples of a whole are total number of marks, number of students, some amount of money, total jogging route, and volume of liquid. The steps to success are: firstly, identify the percentage, and you will find a whole. Write the percentage as a fraction of 100. Then, multiply the fraction in step 3 by a whole. Lastly, show the working. Now, let's do the first example. Find 20% of 45. We will use the step to success to answer the problem. The first step is identify the percentage, which is 20%. Next, identify a whole, which is 45. You will write the percentage as 20 out of 100 and then multiply the fraction in step 3 by a whole, which is 45. Finally, I'm going to show you the working. We will use cancellation method for this problem. We cancel 1 0 in the numerator and 1 0 in denominator. Then we're going to divide 2 and 10 by a common factor of 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, 10 divided by 2 is 5. The answer is 45 out of 5. Then we divide 45 divided by 5, which gives you 9. One commonly used percentage, which is very easy to calculate, is 50%. What is 50%? Right, it is a half. Let's find out 50% of the following. What is 50% of 80 liters of milk? Correct, 40 liters. What is 50% of 120 students are girls? 60 girls. How about 50% of 18 meters squared of a wall? Right, 9 meters squared. Next is, I need you to help my friend Hassan to solve his problem. One day he went to a mall and then saw this big sign showing 35% off for a shirt that he liked. And the sale price of the shirt was $40. He wanted to buy the shirt. The problem is, he had $30 in his wallet. Did he have enough money to buy the shirt? Let's help him. First of all, let's go back to the problem. The discount was 35%. And the original price of the shirt is $40. He had $30 cash. So, what should we do first? Yes, we have to calculate the discount value, which is 35% of $40. Then, we will find the amount to pay, which is $40 minus the discount value. Let's use the step to success to solve this problem. Identify the percentage, which is 35%, and a whole is 40. We'll write the percentage as a fraction of 100, which is 35 out of 100. Then multiply by 40. Later, show the working. I will use the cancellation method. I cancel 1 0 in 40 and 1 0 in 100. And divide 4 and 10 by a common factor of 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. We have 35 times 2 out of 5. Next, we divide 35 and 5 with a common factor of 5. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 5 divided by 5 is 1. And we have 7 times 2, and the answer is $14. And this $14 is the discount value. We will calculate how much Hassan would pay for the shirt, which is $40 minus the discount value. $40 minus 14. And what do you think? Will Hassan be able to buy the shirt? Yes, the shirt costs $26. We are almost about to the end of the lesson. So, let's summarize today's lesson. What have we learned today? To find the value of percentage part of a whole is, firstly, identify the percentage, identify a whole, write percentage as a fraction of 100. Multiply the fraction in step 3 by a whole and show the working. That brings us to the end of the lesson today. Till next time, wabillahi taufiq wa hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Jangan lupa, kita jumpa lagi besok. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Terima kasih, Cikgu.